It's never just about the ride. It's about who you share the road with. We would like to send our heartfelt thanks to Mr. Dennis and Mr. Joshua for joining us on the incredible 12-day Intrepid Vietnam motorbike tour along the legendary Ho Chi Minh Trail from north to south. It was truly a pleasure to ride together, sharing not just the roads, but the stories, the laughter, and the unforgettable moments that make journeys like this so special. From the misty mountains in the north to the vibrant energy of the south. Every mile we covered carried a sense of adventure, and having both of you as part of the journey made it even more meaningful. Your enthusiasm, curiosity, and spirit of exploration brought great energy to the group. And it was inspiring to see how fully you embraced each experience along the way. Whether it was navigating winding mountain passes, stopping in remote villages, or simply enjoying a quiet moment on the road. These are the memories that stay with us, and we hope they will stay with you too. More than just a tour, this was a shared adventure, and we're grateful to have been part of it together. Thank you again, Mr. Dennis and Mr. Joshua, for choosing to ride with Indochina Motorbike Tours. We hope this journey through Vietnam will always hold a special place in your hearts, and we look forward to the day our paths cross again, somewhere down another road. Ride safe, and see you on the next adventure. This is where the journey begins.
Woke up this morning with the devil in my chest. Factory whistle blowing, but I ain't gonna rest. Got my leather jacket hanging by the bedroom door.
got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket. I just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till I see it, so I want a demonstration. And I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session, if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated. But that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not the type to wait around, I've never hesitated. But she's got me captivated, so the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. Got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. She's got a body like a coke thing. She likes to keep the party going. These rumors got me feeling lonely. I want that body, baby, show me. I heard you look good when you're undressed. I heard you like to get away. I heard you like to stay out late. I heard you had a couple boyfriends. I heard they didn't treat you right. I heard you're hated by your girlfriends, 'cause all the guys want you tonight. Yeah, they say she's too hot, they say she's too cold. Where she came from, nobody really knows. They say she looks young, but say she acts old. From everything I've heard, she gets out of control. And all the boys say she was sent from the heavens. But I'm not too sure that this girl is a blessing. She's got the devil's eyes and they'll cut you like a weapon. She's stuck in my mind like a bad obsession. Got bad intentions. She got a body like a